Hello folks, today I'll be talking about headlight protectors. Are they worth their money or are they just a gimmick? If you stick around, I'll give you my thoughts. Most modern bikes have got LED headlights, and even those that don't still have a sealed headlight unit. The unit itself can be extremely expensive. I had a look recently at the cost of a replacement headlight unit for the Honda Cross Runner, which I've got. The unit itself was £1,300 from a dealer. If you compare that cost to the cost of some of the headlight protectors that are on the market, you can get them for as little as £20. If you get a stone chip, you're looking at a forking out of around about £1,300, certainly over £1,000 for a replacement headlight if it actually breaks the plastic on the lens. However, if you decide to get these headlight protectors, all you got to do is replace that particular piece of plastic. So to me, a headlight protector is a no-brainer. I've already fitted one side. I got these from Power Bronze down in West Sussex, and it is just a simple piece of hardened clear plastic like that, which attaches using a couple of 3M squares that they've already cut. It is really simple to do, and considering how quick, easy and cheap this is, personally I think it's a no-brainer. It's one of those mods you can do to your bike, and it is just an extra bit of insurance for you, because as I've said before, this headlight unit, if I was to break that with a stone chip, I'm looking at over £1,000 to replace the unit. Not to mention the hassle of taking the whole front of the bike apart to get to it. So to fit it, all you do is simply clean your headlight area, which I've already done. Power Bronze supply you with the 3M grip lock pads. Power Bronze do these headlight protectors for almost all makes and models of bikes that are currently on the market. All I need to do now is attach the 3M grip pads to the back of the lens and then offer it up to the actual headlight itself. Before offering it up, what I would do is just make sure your lens is nice and clean, because you don't particularly want to be having to take it off every 5 minutes to clean it, and then simply offer it up to your headlight unit. Like so. And there we have it. They are, folks, just a quick one for you today. Hope it's been of use.